The Galaxy S22 Ultra or the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the better phone, depends on the features, camera specs, processor and more. Apple and Samsung both have the largest market shares for smartphones and are massive competitors. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was released in February 2021, while iPhone 14 Pro Max is Apple's latest flagship. Let's talk about cameras. This is where Apple has the biggest change in the new 48-megapixel camera. That is taking on the 108-megapixel sensor of the S22 Ultra. According to Apple, this new sensor brings 2 times better low-light performance compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which already gives the S22 Ultra a tough challenge when it comes to the low-light performance, especially in video. The photonic engine, which is a new bit of tech that Apple's just released, and the idea is every single time you take a photo now, and any one of the cameras on any one of the iPhone 14, your phone will be able to comb through every single pixel and optimize the noise, texture, and details. YouTuber Arun Maini Mr. Who's the Boss published a video. He tested 2 phones across 12 categories. The iPhone 14 Pro Max the overall winner, with the phone wiping the floor with the S22 Ultra and 7 of the 12 categories. The S22 Ultra only scored wins in the fun and zoom 100x zoom for the win categories, while the 2 phones tied in the selfie, photo, audio, and slow-mo categories. The iPhone 14 Pro Max display is coming with near 2000 nits brightness compared to the 1750 nits brightness of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra features a wide array of camera, features a 10 times telephoto camera, which enables higher zoom capabilities without losing much quality, as well as 100 times space zoom. The S22 Ultra takes excellent 10 times zoom photos without losing quality, and the photos at 20 times or 30 times look impressive. iPhone 14 Pro Max front shooter captured cleaner video in both dark or light environments than the Samsung. The S22 Ultra had better processing and selfie photos. iPhone 14 Pro Max feature excellent camera stabilization across the board. Apple still hasn't debuted 8K video recording on the iPhone, despite iPhone 14 Pro making the jump to a 48-megapixel primary camera. As for operating systems, the iPhone 14 Pro Max runs on Apple's new iOS 16, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra runs on Android 12, with an update to Android 13 coming soon. Both phones are packing incredible camera hardware, but Apple the areas where they were already strong, especially in the video. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.